Hey guys, excuse my messy workbench here. Uh, I was watching some videos looking at how to fix a loose primer pocket, and I saw some really cool ideas about ball bearings and hammers and yada yada. But one of them gave me a good idea. I have my RCBS swager, and someone talked about inverting it and pounding it with one part against another part, and someone had ball bearings, and I thought, well, if I'm going to use this thing and center with the ball bearing, then why can't I just get a little rounded doohickey here, a little to drive upward and place the crimp. And I experimented, and I put probably too much of a crimp on this one, and it made it really tight. And so then I had to use actually the pocket swager to swage it out, and it's a really firm seating, which may actually be good. Maybe we should do overly firm and then swage them out, and that might create more depth in firmness versus just crimping a little thin edge that might make it difficult on the edge part. And I don't know. Anyway, so I'm getting my loose primered brass here. I'm trying to hold the camera with one hand. I'm going to slide it up in there. Hold on just a second. So now I have it in there, and then I'm going to make sure that I can loosen this out enough to where it's just going to kind of cam over, when you rock the... Oh, let's get it to where it's touching. So now it's touching, nothing going on. I'm going to turn it down maybe a quarter turn, and now I can just cam over. You can see the camming action. You can kind of feel that. And maybe that's enough. Maybe a quarter turn is enough. Let's see. Okay, so it's hard to see. You can't really see. You can see a little bit of a crimping. But let's take a look. Sorry about this. I need to get a camera stand here. Hold on. I am getting a primer. I'm putting it in my primer tool here. So now we've got it seated. I'm going to squeeze it, and it's way too light. It felt like way too light, but let me try and pop it out. Yep, popped right out. So now I'm going to adjust this down another quarter turn. Sorry, I apologize. It's probably the worst gun-related video ever. And I'm going to loosen that a little bit. Maybe another eighth of a turn. And now it just cammed over again, real snug. Pop that out. Try it one more time. Now it feels really snug. Actually, it feels like a brand new, it popped in, it feels like a brand new case. So these were ones I was going to toss until I Googled and found people discussing methods, and this fit in really snug. I had to grab it pretty firm and squeeze down. So maybe that'll give me another 3 shots, maybe 1 shot. I'll have to set these aside, shoot them, and test them later. But anyways, just an idea that maybe you don't need a ball bearing. Just take a nice rounded bolt. This will center, using the RCBS little doohickey that's supposed to kick the cases out, and then your swager with the, I believe I have I'm doing large primer, so I believe I have the large primer fitting on the other end inside the swager. Anyways, I apologize for this terrible video, but just wanted to give some more ideas out there into cyberspace for ways to fix your cases. But I'll update later if I find that it works or doesn't work. Let me know what you guys think.